Hey guys, in this quick video I want to share with you how you can possibly fix the issue with the maytag dishwasher error code E1-F9. So this guy just tried a lot and the main pump housing was almost completely clogged. I'm a bit baffled how any water moved through it, but I know it because it was draining. Basically the main pump housing with the filter was almost completely filled with the food debris and was stuck wedged in the filter. I had no idea there was even filter in there and wasn't even called out by any of the documentation I came across. So this is something that you want to check, and when I'm going to write here maytag main pump housing, this is something that you want to check on some YouTube video how to look at it. So this is the first thing. What I had to do was pull apart the main pump housing so I could get the filter and clean out all the gunk that had built up inside of it. And then I went down the same path and I'm pulling the recirculation pump assembly off and cleaning everything out. It's not too difficult to do if you have the right tools and keep track of the Torx screws. So it's under the dishwasher. I had to pull the whole dishwasher out, disconnect drain line, water supply and power. Then I laid it on the back so I could easily get to the underside. Fair warning, when you do this, water might come out, so put down a towel first. So, and there's full guide on how we can do it. So there was even person wrote here, took up 30 minutes to figure it out. So I just want to make this quick video and just wrote here on Reddit the maytag dishwasher error E9-F9. It should look out and just do this. Just want to make this quick video for you. Have a great day and goodbye.